Transform into a literal clown with me as I tell you about some hot takes and tips for travel skincare. This is an empty bottle that I used of a facial cleanser that I really liked, and I just take my favorite facial cleanser and just put some in here. Bringing like a nighttime moisturizer and a daytime moisturizer isn't just really feasible, so try and get like multi-use products just in one. Try and just bring toner pads instead of the actual toner itself. Obviously, I can't really bring this whole thing with me, so I just kind of pour it into here and spray a little bit on my face. I got this from Vanilla Swirl, but she mixes her castor oil in with her moisturizer. Do that for nighttime just to make my moisturizer a little thicker. Try and bring a moisturizer that actually has SPF in it, or it's a tinted moisturizer. I always bring mouthwash with me when I travel, and this is something that I do use a little TSA approved bottle for. Castor oil that I put inside of here, usually just put it in underneath my eyes, and then I put it on my smile lines. These I get in a really big pack on Amazon. You can bring like 20 of them with you. I always have this on hand with me. A really massive pack of mini makeup remover wipes, and just go for acne patches. So I'll just put it right on my chin. This is the Nivea lip balm in watermelon. Go for something that's a little bit more moisturizing that has just a little color in it. I only do this step when I actually do my skincare, which is a lip stain. You can put it on your cheeks, little blush effect. I love these forehead wrinkle patches. I use them on top of my skincare. They're individually packed, so you can put them on while you're on a flight or just at nighttime.